Hello friends, my name is Shannon. Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation for feeling safe and secure to help manage anxiety and stress. To begin, settling comfortably. That can be lying down, in a chair, or seated on the floor. You can close your eyes or just keep the gaze soft. As we begin to turn our focus inward, notice the natural rise and fall of your breathing. On the count of 4, let's take a deep inhale, hold it at the top, and sigh it out. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. Sigh it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it at the top. And sigh it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just begin to breathe naturally with no effort at all in the inhalations and exhalations. With each inhale, you gather nourishment for your body, and with each exhale, you sink deeper into relaxation. Notice the points of contact where your body touches the floor, the bed, or the chair. Notice you are totally supported by gravity and the earth below you. As you relax here, really breathe in that feeling of effortless support underneath you. You don't have to do anything to have this support. It is always there for you, unconditionally. On each inhalation, you breathe in a sense of security. And on each exhalation, you release fear. On the inhale, think to yourself, I am. On the exhalation, think to yourself, safe. Inhale, I am. Exhale, safe. Just continue to repeat this mantra to yourself to the rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations. I am safe. Know that this place of support and security is here for you always. Anytime you need to return to it. On your next inhale, begin to bring awareness slowly back to the body. Deepen your breathing. Slowly begin to tap your thumbs to your pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky. Let's take one deep inhalation together. Inhale. Open your mouth and exhale. Let it go. You can bring your hands to heart center in prayer and open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you for joining me in meditation today. Please like and subscribe to my channel to support free yoga and meditation on YouTube. I'll see you next time.